In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a paid Patreon membership. We'll walk through the full process of setting up your first paid tier so you can start earning from your audience and clearly communicate what they get when they support you. First, head over to your Patreon creator page dashboard. You'll need to be logged into your creator account. Once you're on your dashboard, look along the top of the page for the main navigation tabs and click on the one labeled Membership. This is where you manage all of your paid tiers and benefits. On the membership page, you should see an option to get started with setting up a new tier. Go ahead and click Get Started. Patreon will open a new tier creation screen where you can define all the details of your membership. At the top, click into the name field and type in the name of your tier. Choose something clear and descriptive, like Basic Supporter or VIP Access, so potential members immediately understand the level of access. Just below that, click into the monthly price field and add a monthly price for this tier. Think about the value of what you're offering and what your audience is likely to pay comfortably. You can always come back and adjust or add more tiers later, so don't overthink it. Next, there's a tier description field. Click into that and type in a detailed description of what members will receive. Be specific and straightforward. Mention things like early access to content, behind-the-scenes posts, downloads, or anything else included. Clear descriptions help reduce confusion and make people more confident about joining. Now, click on Add Cover Image. This image represents the tier visually, so choose something that fits your brand and feels inviting. After clicking, select the image from your device and upload it. Patreon will show you a preview so you can make sure it looks good. Below that, you'll see an option to add benefit. This is optional, but it's helpful to list your benefits individually, such as exclusive posts, Discord access, or shoutouts. Adding these makes it easier to manage and track what you owe to each tier. If you'd like to offer a free trial, look for the free trial toggle and click it to turn it on. This can be a good way to let people sample your content before they're billed. Next, click on the Advanced dropdown. Under tier settings, you'll see options to ask members for a shipping address at checkout, which is useful if you send physical rewards, and to limit the number of members who can join this tier, if you want it to be exclusive or manageable. When you're happy with everything, click Save in the bottom left corner to store this tier. If you want to add more tiers, head back to your membership page and click on Add a Tier. From there, you can repeat the same process to create multiple membership levels tailored to different segments of your audience.